Have you ever wondered if music could support learning a new language in a fun and engaging way? According to science, the answer is yes. Music enhances language learning by providing structure and motivation, especially in the early stages when you need to learn how to break down and recognize individual words in a new language. Just like children learn their first language by ear, songs can connect you to a culture while helping you acquire vocabulary. The combination of rhythmic lyrics, repetition, and melody makes them stick in your memory. To get started, use lyrics as your guide. Listen to the song a few times, then follow along with the lyrics as you listen again. Pay attention to how the words are pronounced and how they fit into the melody. This will help you connect the sounds to their meanings and improve your pronunciation. Next, try singing along to practice. Singing along takes repetition a step further by actively engaging your memory and speech muscles. If you're brand new to the language, start by choosing a song that you find enjoyable that has clear and easily understandable lyrics. As a bonus, playing music can surround you with your target language, enhancing your exposure. So, choose songs you love and start listening today. Listen in your car, on the bus, or while waiting in line. You'll be glad you did.
Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe